Welcome to my channel, Muqtadir Tutorials Point. I'm Muqtadir, and in today's tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to install Sophos Antivirus to keep your devices secure. Whether you're new to this software, once you've double-clicked the installer, click Install to start the process. Show the installer starting. Next, click Continue to move forward. Show the cursor clicking the Continue button. Now, click Next to proceed with the install. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the installer. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you with installing Sophos Antivirus. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.